Hi, if you're watching this video, you've received the SportsBox. So in the SportsBox, you notice that there's two remotes. This is the remote that comes with the box from China. It's a good backup remote if anything should happen to this remote, which I buy because they're great. They've got a keyboard on the back. If you should ever need it to put in a username, that's available. And there's a lot of stuff going on, but in reality, it's only things between this area here. This stuff doesn't really matter. It's just this up to there. You don't need to worry about that up there. Except for one button. This button right here with the starburst on it, that's the backlight button. You click that button, the thing will light up, which is great at night because you don't have to turn the light on to see what you're doing. Or if you're older like me and your vision's not what it used to be, it's also very helpful. So that's that guy right there. Over here, you've got the channel button, which the channel up and down, which doesn't work. You don't need to worry about that because you're going to use the ring. This ring around the OK button is how you're going to maneuver through the applications. Down here you've got a little mouse. You can see it's a cursor. This turns the air mouse on and off. It's like a regular mouse you'll see bouncing around on the screen, but you don't have to have the remote sitting like you do with a normal mouse. You don't have to have it sitting on a mouse pad. It just works as you move through the air. You can turn it on and off right here. And I think that once you're inside, if you're using it at all, once you're inside the application, you want to turn it off so you can just use this ring around the OK button to control going through the channels. You've got next to it on the left here, you've got a mute button. And here's the volume button over here, volume up and down. I suggest that you put the volume on your TV at about 70, and then you won't have to use your TV remote. You can just use this remote. This button up here, it's supposed to look like a house, but the Chinese didn't put a door or a window on it, so it looks like an arrow. But this will take you back. It's a home, right? House, home. It'll take you back to the home screen every time. And in the next video, you'll realize what the home screen is. And this button over here is the return button. And this will always take you back to where you were one step before you are now in any of the programming. You'll see what I mean later. So that's kind of it. You got this button here. We're going to talk about it later in the next video. So that's it. And I would suggest going to the next video. Thanks. Bye.